here doing some obnoxious sound clips. We have a fun install for you guys. We are installing an X pipe provided by the customer, and then we're also doing a color swap on the stripes. The white's nice, but he is wanting to go with black stripes instead. Personally, I do see that as being a better fit for the look of the car. So we're gonna get that going just shortly. Well, shortly for you, probably another couple hours for me. Like, you know, movie magic, whatnot. But yeah, we just did some of the unsound clips. I got some good ones. And yeah, we'll put it all together as soon as, like, you know, we get through the process. So hope you're gonna enjoy this just as I am. See you guys in a bit. What's up? I don't think she really liked the noise. So that's all done. We're gonna wait to do the exhaust clip a little later. We got some neighbors next door and don't want to disturb the business structure, ordinance, noise ordinance, and whatever. Yeah, I haven't even heard it yet. I haven't even started it yet, so I don't know what it sounds like. We've done one before, and it was pretty cool. I didn't put that one on YouTube. It might be on our Instagram somewhere, but yeah, I wish I had recorded that process too. But yeah, all done. Now we are going to work on is the stripes. Get that going. It shouldn't take too long. I'll knock those out. So yeah, we're actually gonna go all the way. Instead of doing like a halfway work, we're just gonna finish it under each surface, so you won't see that top edge. And then, you know, like, it's a cleaner look that way too. So obnoxious. I'm just kidding. But yeah, X-pipe install. Oh, let me show you the black stripes. So there we go. Black stripes are done. We did gloss black. We were gonna do satin at first, but I noticed that he had gloss black trim on the front bumper. There's a gloss black hood trim, and I mean accents on the side mirror, and then the spoiler also in this piece is all gloss black. So gloss was honestly the way to go, and we also went through and through. So as, like, I don't know if you know this, before on the first one it was all gapped out. It was like a quarter gap. It wasn't fully towards the end of the my words are stuttering. It wasn't towards the end of the edge of like the body panel. It was always just like a quarter like that, and that's where it would stop. But it's okay. Looking super solid, sounding super solid, and it's gonna break a lot of necks in the way. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this process. It's not something that we do typically a lot here at Tint My Ride. It's just we will mainly focus on vehicle wraps, window tinting, paint protection film, commercial graphics, and then occasionally, yeah, we'll do some custom installs to an extent. This is kind of like the limit that we would dabble into, but we can do it for sure. It's all in there. Another thing too, I forgot to record it, but if you're at home or you want to dabble, try to do it yourself, when you're installing your X pipes, another thing to really pay attention to is how your exhaust is, because if you don't line it up right, your exhaust can actually tilt all the way down. What I mean all the way down is that there's going to be a huge gap right here, and then it's going to be really close over here. So when you're installing your X pipe, and before you drop it down, first of all, make sure all your bolts are tight. Two, make sure exhaust is equal on each side, and make sure it's loud enough so the public can hear you as well. So yeah, we're all done. At the end of the day, I actually was nice enough to wait for my neighbors to leave because I mean it's offices down there and auto shop. I'm gonna be nice and quiet as possible. So all right, you guys have a good day, good night, take care.